Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing access. Make sure Telegram is installed and your phone is verified, and turn on a map in Gmail because the bot needs mail access. Next, open Bot Father and create a bot, then copy the API token, store it securely. Once done, you will also need OAuth or app password depending on Google settings. Choose app password if you use two-step verification. This gets you immediately ready to link the two services and proceed to configuration. Now configure the bot. Pick polling for a simple setup so you avoid hosting webhooks. Write a short script in Python or Node that uses the Telegram API token to receive messages and listen for commands like /start or /watch. Then, connect to Gmail using a map. Authenticate with OAuth 2 tokens or an app password. OAuth is more secure but slightly more steps. Make sure your script maps mail folders to Telegram messages and test fetching a message to confirm connectivity. Finish by defining triggers. Decide if you want all new mail or only messages from certain senders, then format the notification text with subject, sender, and snippet. Deploy the script as a background service so it runs continuously. If needed, use a process manager. If something goes wrong, check logs for authentication or IMAP errors, revoke and reissue the app password or refresh OAuth tokens, and make sure IMAP is still enabled. This resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.